In this video, I will show you how to calculate the sum of numbers in Excel on the web. There are a few simple ways to do this. Here in this table, you can see that columns 1, 2, 3, and 4 contain numbers. I am going to calculate the sum for row 2, which includes all these values. First, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Click in that cell, then type an equal sign. Next, type sum and open a bracket. Now, select the cells you want to include in the calculation. Once the range is selected, close the bracket and press Enter. The total of these numbers will appear in the selected cell. To apply this formula into the remaining rows, click and drag the fill handle down. Excel will automatically calculate the sums for each row. Now let me show you a second method to calculate the sum in Excel. First, select the cell where you want the result to appear. Then, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and click on the AutoSum option. You can also access AutoSum from the Formulas tab. Excel will automatically detect and highlight the range of cells it assumes you want to add. If the selected range is correct, simply press Enter, and the sum will be calculated and displayed in the selected cell. For the third method, you can calculate the sum by using the Insert function option. Start by selecting the cell where you want the result to appear. Next, go to the Formulas tab and click on Insert function. A dialog box will appear with a list of available functions. From this list, select Sum and then click Next. After that, another dialog box will open. In this box, click inside the number 1 field and then select the range of cells you want to add directly from the worksheet. Once the range is selected, click Insert and Excel will automatically insert the sum formula. The total will then be displayed in the selected cell. Finally, to quickly apply the same calculation to other cells, click and drag the fill handle, which is the small plus sign at the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Drag it down or across the remaining cells, and Excel will automatically calculate the sum for those cells as well.